Prabhupada Pragivaloka system, one illustration is given. When Brahma first was born from the navel of Vishnu, Brahma tried his utmost to know who am I, what am I. Brahma, span of life, how much? Here we have got this kind of vanity. We can't do anything. Human being, we can do anything. But Brahma, he was created as. What is his span of life? Or what is our plan of life? Not more than 100 years. Before that we die. Rarely we found 2-3 persons who can have more than 100. Brahma's span of life is Diprardhaka. Nobody can count it. This Kali Yuga, the span of life of Kali Yuga, 4,32,000. Again, speaking about Indian way of counting. I don't know this million, etc. 4,32,000. And Dapur Yug's, the span of the life of Dapur Yug, life is just twice. And thrice of Kali Yuga, Treta. 4 times of Kali Yuga, Satta. Satta, Depar, Dapar, Kali. If you add this, then you will get the result. 43,20,000. Chaturjug, Satta, Dapar, Kali. 71 times. If you say multiple 71 times, then there is the span of life of one Manu. There are 14 Manus. And you have to multiply it by 14. Then that is the span of Brahma's one day. One day. And you count it. And in the night also 14 Manus span of life will spend. 28 Manus span of life. In the 24 hours, he has got day and night. Such the span. Such day and night, this one day, 365 days, is 1 year. And 100 years to come. He could not know. We can know. You can know. Our intellect, limited knowledge. Unlimited knowledge, Brahma. Then when he was disturbed and finding no solution and praying, then Krishna came and he took absolute shelter to him. And what he did? This Sambandha with the Prayojan Gyan, this was infused, imparted to Brahma. Brahma could not know it by going through scriptures or by the intellect and argument. How can we know? Actual Sambandha with the Prayojan Gyan. Nobody can. Even our Mott members cannot. By externally joining Mott, and we shall know it by our scriptural knowledge. Impossible. We do not submit to spiritual channel. Therefore, Param Puja, Paramaradha, Siddhanta Saraswati Vishnu Thakur, our Param Gurudev, whenever he addressed, I have not seen him, but in his writing I have seen. He addressed his disciples. First, I am paying my prostrate obeisance to the preceptorial channel. Teaching us, to listen to the Sambandham. What am I am I. What is the ultimate reality? And what relation I have got with you? What is this world? And what's the relation we have got with this world? And with God, with Supreme Lord. Mutual relations. There will be infused, imparted. If anybody can get that knowledge, immediately all problems. You have a misconception to say. Because we are averse to Sri Krishna. Now it's going to be 10. So you have to, the best way of getting the grace, you have to chant his name. Gita and Krishna, non-different. You saw the sound, Gita is sound God. Bhagavat, Krishna, non-different. Vedas, Veda, Narayana, Shaksha, non-different. Name and name, non-different. Especially in Kali Yuga, because we have got many kinds of weaknesses, drawbacks. For that reason, Supreme Lord has given all powers to the name. Do whenever you Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Shakpa Shakti Statrani. Niyam Dishmarana Kalo, Tadishita Vakri Bhavavan Mahapi, Durdeva Vidyasham Yadami, Nanurag. Bhagavan appears in different names, Govinda, Krishna, Ram, Narayan. As for example, one of our Godbrothers of Guru Maharaj, in his sermon, he has given this illustration. There is one well, deep well, and if you, through basket, you have to pull out the water with the help of the rope. You have seen well? How you can pull out the water? The machine. But in the villages, they do this. There is some revolving ways. You have seen that. And sometimes that rope is torn and that basket is in the water. How you can get out the basket? You have to drop a bunch of nails, hooks, bunch of hooks, bunch of hooks. Then you have to, by that, one of the hooks will catch the basket. Like that. We have fallen into the pit, into the well of this worldly entanglement. In the worldly pit we have fallen into it. And how we can be rescued? The Supreme Lord, if I go there in one form, whether they will be able to catch me or not. So like a bunch of hooks, it appeared here. That's Ram, Krishna, Narayan. Catch anybody, catch. And pull out. We have to utter his name in this Kali Yuga. By other means we will not be successful. Because our life is short. We cannot do thousands of years, but penance is very difficult. Very difficult. Agachit Vishnu Saram, Bhavashra Sadhati, Vishnu Chintamani. Very difficult. By even in Sattva Yuga, it is difficult. Meditation. By moving this mouth, if you utter the name, it will get immense benefit. But we have got no liking to it. What is this? Let us make meditation. If I sit on meditation, others think, no, what are you doing? But what I am thinking, I know. I am moving in Calcutta, another Mayapur is there. There are so many difficulties in the mode. I have said that here. Or meditation, my mind has gone. Unknowingly. This is the plight of the ancient jivas of Kali Yuga. They can also do sacrifice, jagga. Pure articles are not available. And there is no competent Brahmin, but right. And even you got to do worship of deities. That is also not possible. The call of the Hari Kirtana. How can you rescue? Call his name. Ajamil is just so much sins and reverse sins. But he put the name of his youngest son as Narayan. His previous good deeds. But at the time of death, the messenger of God of death come, a horrible figure, to take him to the realm of God of death, Jamalai, Jampuri, pray. By seeing their horrible, he was thinking about his son, Narayan. Suddenly, out of fear, Narayan, Narayan. Namavasha glimpse of Narayan. Oh, he was calling immediately. Oh, associates Narayan. But that is, we should have belief, hard belief. That is necessary. If we could believe with the company of the sadhus, we can get very easily. And if you got no belief, then you will pass to thousands of years, nothing. Very difficult. Very difficult and very easy.